What's up everyone, we're going to be looking at Fools today by Troye Sivan. It's a great little song. We want the capo on fret 3. Okay, now this whole song is the same chord progression. Okay, we have E minor, D, then B minor 7 to A minor 7. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to play these chords first, and then we're going to break down the rhythms for the song. Okay, they're not too tricky. It's quite hard to play along because there's some weird synths that do some interesting things. So I'm going to show you the best way to do it on the guitar. Okay, so our first chord is E minor. All right, we have open E, middle finger, 2nd fret, 3rd finger, 2nd fret, open G, open B, open E. Okay, nice and easy on the first chord, just 2 fingers. The second chord is D. So you want to block the E string with the thumb. Okay, just rest it so it blocks it. And we have open A, open D, then 1st finger, 2nd fret, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, middle finger, 2nd fret on the E string. Okay, there's your D. Then we have B minor 7. Okay, a little tricky because it's a bar chord, so always start with these 2 fingers, then add the 1st finger. Alright, we have 3rd finger, 4th fret on the D string, middle finger is 3rd fret on the B string, here, okay. Then we bar the 1st finger all the way down, from the A string, 2nd fret, all the way down. Okay. Then A minor 7, much simpler, we just have open A, 2nd finger, 2nd fret, open G, 1st finger, 1st fret, open E. Okay, so E minor, D, B minor, A minor 7, alright. Now for the first verse, it's nice and easy, we can just strum these twice each. So we can go, I am tired of this place, I hope people change. I need time to replace what I gave away. And my hopes, they are high, I must keep them small. Just one strum to resist, I still want it all. Okay, now for the second part of the verse, we're gonna have a rhythm. It's gonna sound like this. I see swimming pools and living rooms and aeroplanes. I see her house on the hill and children's name. I see quiet nights bought over rides and separate. But everything is shattering, it's my mistake. Only fools fall for you. Into the chorus, right? So let me show you what this rhythm's doing. Okay, same chords obviously, but I'm going down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. Okay, so down, up, down, 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 up. So there's only 2 loud bits. Down, 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 down. The rest is just sort of in-betweeny bits. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down. I see swimming pools and living rooms and aeroplanes. I see little house on the hill and children's name. Okay, so take a look at this hand again. It's going down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down. It's my mistake, only fools. So on this last chord, just go down, up, down, stop. Down, up, down, only fools fall free into the chorus, okay? Now for the chorus, okay, so this is our last main rhythm. It's a little tricky to play along to the song because the simp's going whamp, It's sort of like a swell, and we can't swell on the guitar. Okay, so when you're playing along, if it sounds a little odd, you know, that's why. But I've tried to design this so you can play this on your own more than to the song. All right. Now we want to have the drums in there, and we want to have this kind of ongoing rhythm, sort of like this. Only fools fall for you, only fools fall, only fools do what I do, only fools fall. So look at my hand, alright? I'm constantly strumming. Down, 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 There's a slap though. Yeah, so only fools fall for you, only fools fall, only fools do what I do, only fools fall, only fools fall for you, only fools fall, only fools do what I do, only fools fall. Okay, then we have a little strum on each chord just before we come into verse 2. Alright, now for verse 2, we can just strum the chord twice again, but let's do the second rhythm I taught you guys. So the down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. Okay, we can do that for verse 2. Okay. Oh, our lives don't collide, I'm aware of this. An impulsive and your obsession with little things. You like stick and I like aircell. Don't give up, not giving up, I still want it all. Only fools. Now this time we go straight into a chorus very quickly. Okay, so you need to make sure to stop on that A minor again. Alright. I still want it all. Only fools fall for. So remember, only if we stop on the word only, right? So down, 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 up, down. Only fools fall for you. Only fools fall. Only fools do what I do. Only fools fall. Okay, and then we have another chorus. So the only part left to learn is the bridge. Okay, and we go back to the lyrics we were singing earlier. I see swimming pools and living rooms and aeroplanes. See a little house on the hill. Yeah, so it's that part. So we can kind of keep it quiet to start with. So just do strums. I see swimming pools and living rooms and aeroplanes. See a little house on the hill and children's name. Seeing quiet nights brought over rice and Tanqueray. Now build it up, everything is shattering. It's my mistake. Only fools fall for you. Only fools fall. Only fools do what I do. Only fools fall. Okay, now we have like a quiet chorus here. Alright, so the best way to play this quietly is do the same thing. So down, up, down, up, down, up, boom, up, boom. Okay, the same thing, but instead of playing it loudly, just play it softly. You know, you can even put your hand against the strings a little bit. Only fools fall. Only fools do what I do. Only fools fall. Only fools fall for you. Only fools fall. Only fools do what I do. Only fools fall. Only fools fall for you. Only. And then we come in loud again. Okay. So even though that was a quiet chorus, we still want to have only fools fall for you. We still want to have that stop on the A minor. Only fools fall for you. okay? And we play the last chorus nice and loudly. So this song's not too complicated. When I first listened to it, it was hard to hear what the chords were. Okay, it's hard to figure these out, so I've done that for you, obviously. Okay, the rhythm's not too tricky. Alright, if I were you, just play along to the song a lot and try and feel, because there's a lot of dynamics going quiet and loud in different places, okay? So I've shown you the strumming patterns, but you need to play along to the song just so you can get the dynamics right, the up and the downs, okay? So I hope it was helpful, this lesson for you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.